Everyday carry is constantly evolving, and today's best gear is smarter, lighter, and more capable than ever before. In this video, we're showcasing the top 9 essential EDC innovations that are redefining personal preparedness for modern urban living. From compact lighting solutions and high-capacity power banks to advanced water filtration systems and versatile multi-tools, these carefully selected items are designed to help you stay ready for unexpected situations without adding unnecessary bulk to your everyday carry. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or simply preparing for daily challenges, these innovative EDC essentials deliver practical value where it matters most. Number 1. Need clean water fast on your next outdoor trip. This Sawyer gravity system makes filtration simple and stress-free. Reason 1. No pumping, no struggle, just gravity working. Hang it, fill it, and let water flow. That means more convenience at camp and on trail. Reason 2. The mini filter is seriously powerful. It filters bacteria, protozoa, and even microplastics. Rated to 0.1 micron absolute for dependable protection. You get cleaner water than many bottled options. Reason 3. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to pack. The whole system fits neatly into your backpack. Perfect for backpacking, camping, travel, and emergency kits. The 1-gallon bladder gives you water when you need it. Wide mouth filling makes setup quick and frustration-free. The carry handle adds even more convenience. Dual-threaded design means easy on-off cap control. That's a smart detail serious outdoor users appreciate. No pumping also means less fatigue after a long day. Just hang it from a tree or your pack. Then collect safe drinking water while you relax. For campers, preppers, and travelers, that's huge value. Reliable filtration can make a real difference outdoors. This system is built for backcountry and disaster readiness. It's practical, portable, and ready when conditions get rough. If water safety matters, this deserves a serious look. It's one of those tools you'll be glad to have. Clean water, easy setup, and real peace of mind. Don't wait until the next trip to upgrade. Get yours now and travel with confidence. Click to order and make safe water part of your gear. Number 2. Night falls, and my backpack feels heavier than ever. I reach for my keys, searching for something small. A blue glint appears. The Nitecore tube V2 0. Tiny enough to disappear, yet ready for anything. Its khaki shape slips naturally onto my keychain. At just 0.34 ounces, it adds no burden. I press once, and a soft glow appears. Perfect for finding my lock, my bag, my path. A quick double tap unleashes full 5.5 Lumen power. The dark sidewalk suddenly feels manageable again. Rain starts falling, but the light keeps working. Its IP65 protection handles the unexpected with confidence. Inside my garage, I need just a little light. A gentle hold gives stepless brightness from 1 lumen. I adjust it higher, then lower, exactly as needed. No wasted power, no harsh glare, no bulky flashlight. For everyday carry, it's the definition of effortless. For camping, it becomes my quiet nighttime helper. For emergencies, it waits patiently with low drain. A full year of standby keeps it ready. When the battery runs low, micro USB saves the day. Charging is fast, simple, and always within reach. Up to 58 hours of runtime feels reassuringly long. The stainless keyring connector keeps it secure on the move. Its durable shell feels built for real life. Compact, colorful, and practical, it fits my everyday style. From commute to campsite, it never slows me down. Lightweight gear should make life easier, not heavier. The Tube V2 0 delivers function without bulk. Small light, big reliability. Always ready when you are. Upgrade your keychain with the Nitecore Tube V2 0 today. Number 3. At the airport gate, my battery hits red again. Then this Anker power bank appears like a rescue beam. Built-in USB-C cable? No hunting, no tangled mess. Just plug in and power up instantly. 87W shared across 3 devices keeps everyone moving. My iPhone jumps from low battery to alive fast. One device gets up to 65W single-port power. Even a 1.4-inch MacBook Pro reaches 50% quickly. Under 40 minutes, your laptop gets a serious boost. For students, that means coffee shop deadlines stay safe. For travelers, boarding time becomes charging time. For gamers, the Switch stays ready for the next match. The built-in cable charges iPhone 15 Pro fast. It can hit 58% in just 30 minutes. MacBook Air, up to 52% in 30 minutes. And the power bank itself recharges in 1.5 hours. Use a 65W charger and you're back in action. Its 20,000 mAh capacity means fewer charging worries. Long flights, long classes, long workdays covered. Airline approved, so it travels with your carry-on. Compact enough to slip into a backpack pocket. Only 6.2 by 2.9 by 1 inches. And it weighs just 15.5 ounces. The design feels sleek, solid, and purpose-built. The cable is tested for over 10,000 bends. That means lasting strength, not fragile convenience. A digital display keeps battery status crystal clear. 3-device charging turns one power bank into a command center. Phone, laptop, and gaming device powered in sync. Anker makes portable charging look effortless and smart. If you travel, study, or game on the go, choose this. Grab the Anker 20K 87W power bank today. Number 4. Running out of battery at the worst time. This Anker 325 power bank fixes that fast. First reason. Massive 20,000 mAh capacity for serious backup power. It can charge your iPhone 15 about 3.6 times and your Galaxy S23 Ultra about 2.9 times. Perfect for travel, commutes, weekends, and long days out. Second reason. Bidirectional USB-C charging makes life easier. One USB-C port handles both input and output. That means simpler charging with fewer cables to worry about. You can even power 2 devices at once, so your phone and earbuds stay ready together. Third reason. Power IQ and Voltage Boost deliver smart charging. Fast, safe, and reliable across a wide range of devices. It even supports trickle charging for low-power accessories. That makes it great for AirPods and smaller gadgets. The design is practical, simple, and made for daily use. You also get a USB-C cable in the box, plus Anker's 8-month warranty and friendly customer support. That's extra peace of mind with every purchase. If you travel often, this is a must-have backup. If you use your phone heavily, you'll feel the difference. If you love reliable tech, Anker delivers again. No more hunting for wall outlets all day. No more battery anxiety during important moments. Just grab it, charge up, and keep moving. This is the kind of power bank people keep using. Strong capacity, smart charging, and trusted performance. 3 reasons to buy it, all in one device. Don't wait until your battery hits 0. Get the Anker 325 power bank now. Tap the link and stay powered wherever you go. Number 5. A slapshot flies fast straight toward your wrist. Freeze. This watch doesn't flinch. Meet the Casio G-Shock DW5600UE 1V. Built like gear for champions, not just commuters. Its legendary shock resistance is battle-tested. Rugged black resin, compact, iconic, and ready. 45mm of pure durability on your wrist. The rectangular design keeps it classic, bold, unmistakable. For athletes, every second matters. The stopwatch tracks 1:1:00 second precision, split times, elapsed times, and race results covered. Need pacing power? Use the 2-4-hour countdown timer. Training hard? Set the multifunction alarm. Stay on schedule with hourly time signals. Switch easily between 1-2-hour and 2-4-hour formats. Go before sunrise. Come back after dark. Afterglow backlighting keeps the display clear. Rain, sweat, splash, bring it on. With 200-meter water resistance, it keep on going. Perfect for swimming, diving, and rough conditions. This isn't delicate tech. This is performance built for movement. From rink to trail, it stays mission ready. From workouts to weekends, it fits every challenge. The auto calendar runs all the way to 2039. Accuracy stays sharp, within plus or minus 15 seconds per month. Simple, tough, dependable. That's the essence of a true G-Shock. If it can handle a slapshot, it can handle yours. Upgrade your wrist with rugged confidence. Get the Casio G-Shock DW5600UE1V today. Number 6. Last camping trip. Our water ran out by noon. The nearest stream looked sketchy, cloudy, and honestly terrifying. Everyone was dehydrated, annoyed, and waiting for safe water. I kept thinking, why is clean water still this hard? Back at camp, I started hunting for a solution. I scrolled through outdoor gear videos and survival reviews. Then this Waterdrop gravity water filter straw popped up. The setup looked ridiculously compact, but seriously powerful. What grabbed me first was the 5-stage filtration. It promises cleaner water from questionable sources fast. Sediment, dirt, chlorine, and bad taste get reduced. Then I saw the huge one. 5-gallon gravity bag. That means less scrambling, more drinking, more freedom. Perfect for camping, backpacking, and emergency prep. I love that it filters up to 1,400 gallons. No constant replacements, no waste, no overthinking. And the flow rate? Up to 700 milliliters per minute. That is exactly what you want when everyone is thirsty. Using it was shockingly simple and beginner-friendly. Connect the bag, fill it, and let gravity work. The filter straw makes water feel instantly more usable. Even better, it can be backwashed for reuse. That keeps the inside cleaner and extends performance. After testing it, our water stress dropped immediately. We had reliable drinking water without hauling endless bottles. It turned a survival headache into a smooth routine. Now I bring it on every outdoor trip. If your next adventure matters, why risk dirty water? Wouldn't you rather secure clean hydration before you need it? Grab this now and upgrade your outdoor survival kit. Number 7. A keychain light wakes up with a cinematic glow. Meet the Nitecore TUP, tiny body, massive attitude. Pocket it, clip it, carry power everywhere. Then unleash 1,000 lumens from your fingertips. That's serious brightness from something this compact. See farther, with beams reaching up to 197 yards. Perfect for trails, campsites, and late-night travel. Dual side switches make control feel instantly natural. Tap through 5 brightness levels with ease. Need maximum power? Turbo is one press away. Need gentle light? Ultra-low saves your night vision. One flashlight, many moods, every situation covered. Switch into daily mode for steady, long-lasting light. Or choose demo mode for quick, efficient use. Press both buttons, and the mode changes instantly. The OLED display keeps you fully informed. Brightness, mode, lumen output, voltage, runtime, lockout status, everything you need shown clearly at a glance. Recharge easily through the built-in USB port. The 1200 mAh battery powers up to 70 hours. That means fewer charges, more adventures. Travel confidently with full lockout protection. No accidental activation in your pocket or bag. Unlock it fast when you need light again. Built for EDC lovers who demand smarter gear. Designed for campers who need dependable illumination. Made for travelers who want power without bulk. Small size, advanced features, incredible everyday versatility. The Nitecore TUP turns convenience into performance. Carry the light that works harder than it looks. Upgrade your keychain with true portable brilliance. Get the Nitecore TUP and light up every moment. Number 8. Dark Trail. My flashlight died right at camp. The woods swallowed everything. Panic hit instantly. I fumbled for my backup light. It was tiny, ridiculously tiny. I laughed. How could this save me? Then I pressed the button. A beam exploded out like a spotlight. 500 lumens from something keychain-sized. The trail suddenly looked like daytime. I checked the OLED display in disbelief. Brightness level, battery, runtime, everything was right there. No guessing, no surprises, just control. I switched modes with one simple press. Low light for maps, turbo for emergencies. The dual switch design felt dangerously easy, and the lockout mode stopped accidental activation. so it stayed ready, not wasted. Then came the real shock. This tiny beast was USB-C rechargeable, fast charging, built-in battery, zero hassle, no bulky charger, no dead weight, just clip it to your keys and go. It weighs less than an ounce. Smaller than my car key, yet unstoppable. Perfect for camping, hiking, and everyday carry. When darkness hits, this little light dominates. The Nitecore TINI 2 turned panic into confidence. Bright, smart, ready whenever you are. If you need a real EDC flashlight, choose this. Get the Nitecore TINI 2 and carry power everywhere. Number 9. Dawn breaks over a quiet workshop, tools scattered in anticipation. Today's list is long. Fix, build, garden, and explore. He reaches for one compact companion, built for everything. Leatherman Wave, plus rests in his palm, solid and purposeful. For 40 years, Leatherman has turned challenges into victories. A legacy forged in Portland, Oregon, and trusted worldwide. Stainless steel gleams, promising strength through years of use. Its 2 5-year warranty speaks louder than any sales pitch. At just 8.5 ounces, it disappears into everyday carry. Yet inside, 18 tools wait quietly for the day's demands. A stubborn cabinet hinge resists the morning's first repair. He opens the pliers, and the problem instantly feels smaller. A quick turn, a clean grip, and the hinge settles. No extra toolbox, no wasted time, no frustration left behind. Outside, the garden asks for attention and patience. The saw and ruler bring precision to every trim. Spring-action scissors handle packaging, twine, and delicate cuts with ease. Each tool clicks into place, like a trusted routine. By afternoon, the trail calls beyond the backyard gate. Wave Plus slips into the pocket, ready for the unexpected. A loose strap, a stuck buckle, a quick field fix. The new premium replaceable wire cutters make hard work easier. Professional-grade power, designed to keep going for years. From DIY projects to outdoor escapes, it never slows down. This is the all-rounder that earns its place daily. One tool for home repairs, garden tasks, and EDC confidence. Built to conquer the expected and the unexpected too. When the day gets complicated, Wave Plus keeps it simple. A small tool carrying the weight of big possibilities. Leatherman Wave Plus, ready for anything, made to last. Upgrade your everyday carry and be prepared for more. Choose Wave Plus and carry a legend in your pocket. Those were our top 9 EDC innovations that are changing the way people approach everyday preparedness in today's fast-paced world. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or building your first EDC kit, choosing reliable, high-quality gear can make everyday tasks easier and help you stay prepared for the unexpected. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who are passionate about everyday carry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more innovative EDC gear and practical everyday solutions.